Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is pack. Here are some words related to the base word. Backpack, backpacker, package, packaged, packages, packaging, packed, packet, packets, packing, packs, prepack, prepackaged, repack, unpack, unpacking. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. I need to pack some clothes for the trip. She carries a water bottle in her backpack. The backpacker explored the mountains for days. The postman delivered a package for us. The gift was neatly packaged and had a bow. We received several packages today. All food packaging must show the nutrition facts. She packed her lunch in a reusable container. Use 1 packet of instant oatmeal in the recipe. I bought 6 packets of facial tissues last week. I am packing food boxes for the picnic. She always packs energy drinks and water in her gym bag. I pre-pack my lunch overnight to save time. We sometimes buy pre-packaged meals for quick dinners. We had to repack the suitcases to hold more items. It's time to unpack and settle in our new home. The family is unpacking and arranging in their new apartment. Now let's review. Pack, backpack, backpacker, package, packaged, packages, packaging, packed, packet, packets, packing, packs, prepack, prepackaged, repack, unpack, unpacking. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.